Hello my brothers, today I will be unboxing the new iPhone 4 for you guys. Now as you can see, this just came in the mail today. Now let's just see what's inside, shall we? Oh, what's going on here? Well, what a surprise, the iPhone 4 itself. Now right off the bat, this feels kind of heavy. Let's put that aside. Now also comes a SIM card, and we got this from Rogers, so it's got some manuals and all that stuff in the box. Now let's open up the iPhone 4 itself. Now I just don't want to ruin the packaging in case it's a ripoff. Now I'm not saying Apple's a ripoff. Looks nice. There you can see the back. It's got a nice Apple logo, and it says iPhone, and then a whole bunch of Japanese stuff on the bottom. And you can see the camera, and it's got the flash there, and at the front it's got the camera there for the FaceTime. It's got this plastic covering for it. I'm not going to take that one off quite yet. Okay, now let's see what it comes with. A nice little housing, just like the iPhone 3G. Designed by Apple in California. It's got this little diagram with the SIM card pin telling us where the SIM card should go. And by the looks of it, yeah, it should go right there on the iPhone. So if we would do it right now, we'd take that, stick it in that hole, and that would pop up for the SIM card. And as usual, it comes with Apple's stickers. The iPhone 4. Another iPhone 4 thing. So this is about fingertips and the FaceTime stuff. One's in French, one's in English. Same with these. And I'm not sure if one of these Apple stickers is French or not, but who cares? So in the little box, it comes with the wall adapter, the sync charge cable, and Apple's earbuds. Now this one comes with the volume rocker. The one with the 3G came with the microphone. And I'm just saying that from previous experiences. Now right off, like, it feels nice. Like, I'll tell you that. It feels really nice. And the Retina display is supposed to be way better. I actually like the design on this. Like, with the volume rockers here. They're actually separate buttons this time. And the mute button's actually really nice. There's a signal problem thingy everybody's been talking about. If you hold it like that, your finger's going to cover it and you're going to lose your signal so fast. But I heard that they're fixing that, so yeah, there you go. Now in comparison to the iPhone 3G, let's just take this off. As you can see, well, I'm not sure if you can see, but the iPhone 4 is a little bit smaller than 3G. It's also a bit thinner. Now I have to charge this up and sync it with iTunes, but the 3G works pretty fast. It's kind of embarrassing. Okay, so as you can see, it works pretty fast. but I will be doing a comparison on the speeds and stuff later on. But right now we're just going to look at the buttons and stuff. So they kept the power button that's in the same place. Same with the head jack. It's pretty much the same, but you can, like, I heard they fixed the little speaker thing, so it's louder. They feel pretty much the same, but I don't know. I think the iPhone 4 might just feel a bit heavier. I'm not sure. But I really like the whole iPhone 4 theme. Well, we got the black one, but I think the white one's really cool. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Au revoir.